Let's take a short break to some music and have some fun. Move our bodies, move the circulation and the lymph, and energize ourselves with some simple moves. And you can follow along with me or just sit there and groove to the music. Okay, so let's push away from the computer, put down your pen, take off your glasses, and just enjoy a few moments of fun. Okay, sit tall and let's begin.
Let's take our shoulders up and down, up and down. Glide the shoulder blades up and down the back. Then take the shoulders forward, circle, nice. And then back and around. Lovely. We're going to bring the arms up and the elbows together and open the chest and stretch the back. You can bring the chin down to the chest and up. Reach back, contract the back and back. Now come up and walk to the back and dip, dip, dip. Stretch the calf and the Achilles tendon. Nice. Knees go over the feet. Let the shoulders, elbows, and hands be loose. Get all that tension out of the chest and arms. And down and up and down. Arms out to the side and reach, 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 and up, reach, and up. Nice. And out, out. Then tap the foot to the side and you can leave your foot here. Let's move our arms, or more aerobic, take the leg up, bend the knee and up and tap, tap, and tap. And take the foot. Now we're going to take it back and back. Move the arms, reach up and up. Now, over and across. Nice stretch. Look, stretch across. Little spinal cord there. And back. And using arms. Get the aerobic going. Then, and nice little bounce. You can keep your heels on the floor. Shoulders nice and flexed. Shoulders, elbows, hands. Nice and loose. And move the hips around. And if you like, you can bounce up and down. Off the heels, up and down. Move or be in one spot. Up and down. Shake the hands. And shake, shake. Shake the body, shake the hands. Flick, 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 flick. Nice, nice. Move it around and keep it still. And then come to a nice place of silence. And then come to your chair. And sit nice and tall. Close your eyes. Bring your heart rate back and the breath back to natural. Breathe in and out through the nose if it's comfortable. Into the lower ribs and belly if it's comfortable. Bring yourself back to a nice place of calm and relaxed.
Boy, that was awesome. I just felt my whole body moving. I hope you did too. All energized, ready to go. So we can just go for a walk or chop the vegetables or get back at the computer, whatever you want to do. All energized. So take a break often. Your body will love you for it. Okay, bye for now. See you next week. Let me know how you feel. Okay.